speak. It changes how you see life. It changes how you listen. It changes how you process what people are saying and what they are not saying. But I also had to retrain my brain. I had to learn everybody may not be trained in the same field as me. Everybody may not understand film language, business language, or academic language. So if I want people to receive the message, I have to speak in a way they understand. You won't be able, people will not be able to receive you. Everybody won't be able to receive you because everybody is not as educated as you are in a subject. So that's been an issue too that I've been dealing with. I've been bringing people, trying to work with them and put them in the field that I'm in. I have a full understanding because guess what I did? I went not only with experience, I went and got the education. And I let people that don't have an education, never done what I'm doing, try to dictate how I'm gonna move and what I should do.